Whether it's a weeknight or a holiday, potatoes are a huge hit in my house. So today I'm gonna show you the coolest hack for making Hasselback potatoes. They're gorgeous, they're delicious, and they're so easy to make. So here's what you're gonna start with, a pair of chopsticks. These are gonna be my little guide rails for my potato. So I'm gonna put my potato just on my little chopstick rails. You can certainly use sweet potatoes, russets, anything you like. Now when you start to cut on the ends, be careful not to go all the way through. But then as you start to cut, the chopsticks are gonna act as your guide rail. And you can certainly make thicker slices, thinner slices, just cut right down to the chopstick. Now as I near the other side again, be careful not to cut all the way through. Okay, let's do another potato and then I'll show you how we're gonna put them in the oven. Now to season our potatoes. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. They're gonna go in there for about an hour and a half and get really crispy. Here's what I'm gonna do. There's a little olive oil in there. So you're always gonna hear me tell you to season things well. So the first thing I wanna do after my oil is add a little bit of salt and pepper in here. And as they fan out more, you'll see it's easier to get in there. So if you stop and baste while they're in the oven, you could certainly add more seasoning then too. And into the oven they'll go for about an hour and a half at 400 degrees. Oh my gosh, look at these Hasselback potatoes. They look amazing, crispy, golden. I'm just gonna finish them off with some chives. What a fun little hack. For more cooking tips like these, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.